All right, so now that you have added all of those numbers in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a quiz. All right, so to turn it into a quiz, first of all, we need a button. All right, now if you are more advanced in Scratch, you can attempt to create another backdrop so that when the button is pressed, it goes to another backdrop. But for now, we're just going to add in a little button which we are going to call quiz. All right, so you can choose whichever button you like. I'm going to choose this button. All right, and we're going to pop it down the bottom here, and I'm going to go into its costume, and I'm just going to choose the text tool and call it quiz. All right, let's see if we can change the color of that and then just move it so it's kind of in the middle. All right, and then go back to the code so that when this quiz button is pressed, so we create again an event when this sprite is clicked. Now we're going to make sure that we have a score, okay, like we did with the last edition. So to create a score, we need to go and make a variable called score, right? So that when we get a question right, we will get a point, okay? Now you can see that the score is up here. I'm just going to move it maybe next to the cat so that we can see it. So when the quiz button is pressed, we are going to set the score to 0. All right, now the reason again that we're doing this is because if someone plays it and then they get a score of 10 and you go back in, if you don't set it to 0, then you're going to start off with a score of 10. All right,